Innovation, durability and functionality have been the backbone of the Lighthouse brand, and we are pleased to announce the launch of 2 new products on this year's Real Deals for You campaign. First of all, we shine the light on the new Multifunction Rechargeable Headlight torch, weighing just 47 grams with a strap and only 28 grams on its own. The lightest head torch Lighthouse have produced is ideal for so many work and leisure activities where a head torch is a must. It's got 5 lighting modes: high, medium and low with your white light. Then a double click will enable twin flashing red lights. There's also a boost for ultra bright mode. Just hold the button down for a couple of seconds and wham, turbo boost is activated. Supplied with an easily adjustable reflective head strap, the head ratchets to 180 degrees to deliver light where you need it. And with up to 400 lumens on tap, you're never going to be in the dark. Here's the clever bit. Lighthouse have added a detachable clip, so you can use this as a clip-on light for a pocket, belt, rucksack or any other items. And there you have it, innovation, durability and functionality from Lighthouse. Another new and exclusive product from Lighthouse is the rugged, durable task light. Work lights are changing, smaller, more powerful and yet tough enough to cope with the harsh environments that you use them in. This new rechargeable task light delivers on every level. As soon as you pick it up, you know you've got something strong and tough. The all-metal casing is surrounded by a soft rubber edging to absorb any knocks or drops. The wide handle grip also allows for easy hanging, and the click and set base allows you to angle the light exactly where you need it. Now for the technical stuff. This is a rechargeable task light, which is supplied with a USB-C charging cable. Powered by a highly efficient chip-on-board LED, this 10-watt light delivers an impressive 1100 lumens of super bright white light, ideal for larger, badly lit or unlit work areas. It has 2 lighting modes, high and low. It is IP54 rated to protect against dust and water ingress. It can run for up to 6 hours on a charge and has a handy power bank feature. It's a space-saving, rugged and best of all, it's exclusively available on this year's Real Deals for You campaign. These new lights will appeal to the trade, home or leisure users. Check them out in store today.